Hello, I want to give an update right now on my activities in my trading. I'm super glad on what is going on in the market right now. As you can see, the market is right now speeding up, and there is a huge profit that is going on in my platform, in my account, and I'm super glad to share with you an update on what I am currently doing. As you can see, look at this. Wow, this is amazing. This is amazing. As you can see with yourself. This V75 index, and right now the market is on the positive. Is on blue. Look at my balance. Look at my balance and look at my current equity right now, and look at the trade that I have right now, 58K. Awesome. This is wonderful. I'm super glad to share with you. If you want to learn how to do this, I encourage you to please check out the form below, and I feel like the form, I'm gonna get back to you. I will share information on how you get started doing this kind of stuff. Okay, if you have any challenge, if you have any issue with your trading, let me know, and I'm going to address it for you. So just fill the form. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment profit. Let me know that you are with me and you agree with what is going on. This is super awesome. It's going over now. I'm going to leave this trade throughout this day, even till tomorrow. I want to see 700K on my equity. 700K. Awesome. Are you with me? This is beautiful. If you like this kind of stuff, please check on the comment section. You're going to see a form. Fill it out and I'll share with you how to generate this kind of profit on your trading. Okay? This is beautiful. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. Awesomely well. Are you with me? Thank you very much for watching and do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.